Ever found yourself weighing the pros and cons before a second date? That's exactly how we approach analyzing commercial real estate investments. I'm Amit Grover, and today we are digging deep into the methods that help ensure your investments are as reliable as they are lucrative. When looking at potential properties, think of each as a potential partner. Not every property is going to be the right one for your portfolio. We will dissect the critical aspects like cash flow analysis, cap rates, and occupancy rates, which are similar to checking compatibility in a relationship. These metrics are your tools to sidestep potential pitfalls and secure investments that promise long-term satisfaction. But why focus on this? Well, because thorough analysis is the backbone of successful investing. It equips you with a foresight and a strategic edge, enabling you to navigate the market's highs and lows with confidence. This approach not only sharpens your investment acumen, but ensures that your strategies are both sustainable and, more importantly, profitable. Up next, we're going to explore tax implications in commercial real estate investments. Think of it as understanding who's picking up the check in this financial dining experience. Both crucial and definitely not to be missed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more expert insights here at ECMP Studios. Now, you got insights or questions about investment analysis? Let's hear them in the comments below. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and keep it real. Stay